Hello, welcome to MedCode Vision. In this session, I am going to start with the basic prefix and suffix which we used in the anatomy and physiology. I'll start off with the prefix and the suffix which is most commonly used in the patient's record. Let me start off and I'll explain the prefix and what is the meaning for that. Along with it, I'll give some examples for that. Okay. First, in, it is into, like internal organs. Ex, it is out, like external organ. Endo, within, endocrines. Hypo, it is under or below. Example, hypothyroidism. Hemi, half, one side. Hemiparalysis. Dys, bad or difficulty. Example, dyspnea, like difficulty in breathing. Gastro, stomach. Hyper, beyond normal. Hyperthyroidism. Lipo, it is fat. Osteo, it is bone. Example, osteoporosis, osteomalacia. Hydro, water. Example, hydrocephalus. Arterio, artery. Example, arteriosclerosis. Brady, slow. Bradycardia. Tachy, fast. Tachycardia. Flip, eyelid. Example, phlebitis. Cephalo, head. Arthro, it is joint. Arthroporosis. Cerebro, brain. Coli, example, bile. Anti, it is against. Angio, it is vessel. Entero, intestine. Cardio, heart. Carcino, cancer. Neuro, it's nervous. Nephro, kidney. Dermo, skin. Auto, self or own. Ophthalmo, eye. Lipo, fat. These are the some of the most common prefix which is used. Now let me move on to the suffix. Scopy, visual examinations like arthroscopy. Excision, removal. Otomy, cutting. Globin, protein. Example, hemoglobin. Itis, inflammation like otitis media. Algia, pain. Myalgia, like pain in muscle. Emia, loss, it's anemia. Dynia, pain. Oma, carcinoma, it's tumor. Paresis, hemiparesis, like weakness. Penia, deficiency or lack of. Puncture, it's pierce. Graph, it's instrument for recording data. Electrocardiograph. Phasia, it's speech, like aphasia, difficulty in speech. Synthesis, it is surgical puncturing. Ology, it's study, like commonly used biology, zoology, like. Plasia, it's growth development. Lysis, it is breakdown. Phagia, related to swallowing. Example, dysphagia, it's difficulty in swallowing. Dysphagia. Penia, related to breathing. Phobia, it's fear. Ostomy, it is hole. Megaly, enlargement. Example, hepatomegaly, enlargement of liver. Ectomy, removal, like salpingectomy, it's a removal of fallopian tube. Trypsy, to crush, it lithotripsy, like crushing of stones. Ptosis, falling down or drooping. Stenosis, like narrowing. Osmia, it's related to smell. Example, anosmia, like difficulty in smelling. Phonia, its sound. Apnea, it's breathing, like apnea, difficulty in breathing, dyspnea. These are the most common prefix and the suffix used by the doctor